In this tutorial, we will be learning about a new Kali Linux tool, WAF W00F. You find this at Information Gathering and IDS/IPS detection. And you click this tool and it will show you all the help menus. So there are various options we can use with this. Its usage is in this way. We can use one URL or different URLs also. So dash -h is for help menu, -v is for verbose, -a is for find all WAFs do not stop testing on the first one. Means if you don't use this WAF -a, you only use this command, then it will only test for a single IDS. And -r is for disable redirects, -t is for test. Means if you use this -t, then you can specify a particular uh, firewalls that you want to use. -l is to show the list of all the WAFs that are available to test. -p for proxy, you can use any proxy if you want to use. By default it is 8001. -v is for version, and -H is for headers file. So let's start with -l list. So -l list will show you all the available firewalls that it will test against. WAF W00 F -L, and you can see that there are lots of list of firewalls, Tencent Cloud firewalls, and many firewalls that it will be testing against. Now let's clear this screen and perform some testing. Let's perform testing on google.com. WAF W00F www.google.com. It will only test against a single firewall, and the testing has been started. Let's see what it. Oh, sorry. No WAF detected by generic detection. Number of requests 8. So you can see that it has not detected any firewall. Actually, it only searched for the first firewall when you use this. So if you want to use different firewalls, then you specify it like this: google.com -a. Then it will test against all the firewalls. It will take you some time. So let me tell you what actually this is. It is used to test the web application firewalls, and this web application firewall detects the and blocks the specific pattern on the web application, and it works on the application layer. It protects different HTTP attacks and queries like SQLite or XSS attacks. It is a Python based tool. So it again says that number of requests 8. No WAF detected by generic detection, means it has not detected any firewalls in google.com. Let's test it against some different sites. Let's test it against www.amazon.com. Sorry, we will use this -a command. Here also we can use it, and you just press enter and it will search for all the firewalls, and it again says that now see, this has detected CloudFront Amazon firewall. This is a firewall of Amazon, and it has detected one firewall among the list. There can be other firewalls also available, but it performs the detection against some firewalls. that we already saw the list, and there are other options also. Suppose we have want to test the verbosity, means actually how it's working. We can use multiple ways to increase the verbosity, then it will show you how it's working. Sorry, let's use this v. Let's change the website. HackthisSite.org hyphen v. So it's not showing the verbosity actually. So there are other options also. We can test against specific firewalls by using hyphen t and the name of the firewall. So let's increase the number of verbosity v. Now see, it's showing what actually it's sending and what actually it's receiving. The headers, it's checking. It is a verbose mode where you will know how it's working. So this is all about this. Thank you. In our next tutorial we will be learning about our next Kali Linux tool, and that tool is rping. Till then, thank you.